guys, over the years, I've learned two very, very basic but critical things about skincare. We need to protect it from sun damage, harmful UV rays as much as we can, because believe me, in most of the sun damage, the effects, after effects are irreversible no matter how good and quality or expensive your skincare products are. Number two, we got to hydrate our skin. The more we moisturize it, keep it lubricated, the healthier it is and lesser prone it becomes to any kind of damage. Having said that, I really want to share this SPF cum moisturizer 2-in-1. So of lately, I've started moisturizing my face, and that always has to be a moisturizer which has SPF. So it's like 2-in-1 kind of benefit I get under the same product. This is a recent one I got my hands on. Really liking how it kind of instantly, kind of gives me an even tone, which is really good because I have a pigmented skin. And also this claims to be very, very good for people who want to minimize their fine lines, wrinkles. So overall, a very, very effective anti-aging moisturizer cum SPF. This is a SPF of 30. This is also supposed to be very good for people who are looking at brightening their complexion. All you're supposed to do is take 1 or 2 palms on your hands first, dab it all over the face, neck, chest area, décolletage if required, and I pretty much use it on my hands also. And just like massage it in like soft circular motions until the product is totally penetrated. Just like any other sunscreen, you got to apply it at least 20 minutes before leaving the house and reapply it every like 2 to 3 hours.